In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review presentations in PowerPoint. Let's make sure your slides are polished, clear, and ready to share. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to review. Having the file open will let you move smoothly through each tool as we go. Head to the Review tab on the ribbon at the top. This is your hub for proofreading, comments, and collaboration features that keep your content accurate and your teamwork organized. Start with a spelling and grammar check. Click Spelling or press F7 if you like shortcuts. PowerPoint will scan your slides and highlight potential mistakes. For each suggestion, choose Change to fix it, ignore if it's intentional, or add a term to your dictionary. Take a moment to double check names, acronyms, and brand words, since those often need to be kept exactly as written. If a word feels repetitive or slightly off, you can select it and open the thesaurus to explore synonyms. This is optional, but it's a quick way to refine your tone and keep your wording varied and engaging. Next, add comments where you need notes or feedback. Select the text or object you're referring to, click New Comment, and type your message. Comments are great for collaboration, but they're also helpful reminders to yourself about changes you plan to make later. To work through feedback efficiently, use Previous and Next to jump between comments. If a note is no longer needed, click Delete to remove it and keep your file tidy. If you're working with two versions of a deck, use Compare to see what changed. Click Compare, choose the other file, and PowerPoint will highlight differences so you can review updates clearly without guessing what's new. To make your presentation accessible to everyone, click Check Accessibility. PowerPoint will flag issues like missing alt text on images or low color contrast and guide you toward fixes so your content is readable and inclusive. Before sharing, consider using Inspect Document. Click Check for Issues and choose Inspect Document to look for hidden data, such as comments, personal information, or hidden slides, and remove anything you don't want to distribute. Finally, practice your delivery with rehearsed timings on the Slideshow tab. This helps you run through your talk, see how long you spend on each slide, and adjust your pacing for a confident presentation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.